Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Ritvik here. Today we're gonna make a piano. Yes, we're gonna make a piano. So let's rename this as piano. Okay, and let's delete the costumes. Okay, so let it be empty here, and then let's bring this forever. And you have to add an extension here, and then you have to choose this music. Okay, I've been using pen for my other projects, that's why. So if you take one of these and click on them, you can actually see that they are making some sounds, but we want to not use this one here. We're going to use this thing here, and if we can also choose the other instruments like marimba, and we can also change. Okay, so let's go to default set piano. Okay, and add an if then. And so I'm going to use the letters A, S, D, F, G, H, K, J, K, L. Okay, I'll say that again. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Those keys I'm going to use. Okay, so let's go with the first key, A. Okay, it's playing the sound because I'm pressing the key. K and S. Change it to the next one. Okay, duplicate this whole thing. Now S to D, and then after D, F. Change those and then play it. I hope you guys can hear the sound. I don't know, is it recording the sound also? And next is G, next is H, after that J and K, and the last one is L. And we need to change the keys. 67, 69, 71, 72. Press these arrow keys, okay, to move to the next note pad. So if we click on the green button, we can play the whole piano using A, S, D, F, G, H, etc. So and this is how you play a piano. You can also change the piano into a bass or something else. I'm going to use clarinet. Or we can use a flute. Or we can use a marimba. I don't know what's that. I think this is what they use for iPhone calls, right? This is the synth pad, this is the synth lead. Ooh, that's loud. Okay, after that, no, after that nothing is there. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed it.